Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best 2008 Tacoma headlights are probably one of the most important safety features on your truck, and choosing the right upgrade can dramatically improve your night driving visibility and overall aesthetic appeal. In this video, we will explore various options available for your 2008 Toyota Tacoma, comparing their brightness, durability, style, and ease of installation, helping you make an informed decision based on your needs and budget. Number 5. DWVO Tacoma Headlight Assembly. These headlight assemblies are perfect for your 2005 to 2011 Tacoma. They use standard H4 bulbs, but remember, bulbs are not included. With its advanced metallized reflectors, it provides a wider and farther light beam. Drive safer, even in low light conditions. It's fully sealed to keep moisture out. Rain, snow, or dust storms. They won't affect its performance. The durable polycarbonate lenses and tough housing protect it from road debris and impacts. It's built to last, even off-road. They're a direct replacement for your old headlights. Professional installation is recommended for optimal results. You get both the driver and passenger side. What we like. If you frequently drive in harsh weather conditions, this is a great option. Its superior weather sealing ensures reliable performance, keeping moisture out and providing lasting durability. For drivers who need headlights that can withstand off-road adventures, this is the perfect choice. What people say. They look like factory replacements, excellent fit and finish. They lined up perfectly. These are exactly as advertised. They fit the existing brackets just right and no issue adjusting the elevation of the light beam. Plastic is super clear and they look great. Fit well, easy install, silicone, all the seams let fry for a day prior and installed. So far no issues. Number 4. ACANII Toyota Tacoma Headlights. Upgrade your Toyota Tacoma's look and lighting with these superior headlights. They're designed to meet all US and Canadian safety standards. These are direct replacements for your old headlights, ensuring a perfect fit. Experience brighter, safer nighttime driving. Drive with confidence knowing these headlights meet all US and Canadian Department of Transportation and Society of Automotive Engineers standards. The package includes the lenses and housings for both the driver and passenger sides. Everything you need for a complete upgrade. While it's a direct replacement, professional installation is recommended for optimal results. A signature may be required upon delivery. We stand behind our product. If you're not completely satisfied, you can return them within 30 days. What we like. These headlights are a perfect fit for those who prioritize safety and compliance. They meet all US and Canadian regulations, ensuring you're driving legally and safely. If you're looking for a straightforward replacement that enhances visibility, this is a great choice. What people say. These headlamps went in exactly like the original equipment. They adjust correctly and are nice and clear and bright. Replace 13-year-old faded, yellowed and crazed originals. The headlights themselves fit perfect and it was very simple to transfer the bulbs to the new lights. They look outstanding. My 09 Tacoma had its original headlights and it was time. I've just finished installing so I can't comment on durability, but the benefit of having headlights that light up the road is very valuable. Before installing I was driving with my high beams all the time and no one flashed me. Plus the front end of my truck, 2011 Toyota Tacoma, looks so much better. My truck looks at least 10 years newer just because of the clear headlights. Number 3. AKKON Toyota Tacoma Headlights. Upgrade your 2005 to 2011 Toyota Tacoma with these stunning headlights. They're a direct replacement, ensuring a perfect fit and easy installation. These headlights are brand new and come as a pair, including both the left and right sides. You get everything you need for a complete upgrade. Installation is a breeze. It's a direct bolt-on replacement, meaning no extra wiring or modifications are required. Simply bolt them on and enjoy the improved look and visibility. It's that easy. We stand behind our product. Enjoy a 90-day limited warranty from the date of delivery, giving you peace of mind. Please note that these headlights do not include bulbs, unless otherwise specified by the manufacturer. You may need to transfer your existing bulbs. What we like. If you value a hassle-free installation process, this is the one for you. It's a direct bolt-on replacement, requiring no modifications. For drivers who prefer a simple, no-fuss upgrade, this option is ideal. What people say. Made my Tacoma look new, work very well at night. They fit my 06 Tacoma. Easy to install. These new headlights are brighter than the original ones. Number 2. ACANII Toyota Tacoma LED headlights. Upgrade your Toyota Tacoma with these sleek, stylish LED headlights. They offer superior illumination and a modern look that will transform your truck. These are a direct replacement for your factory headlights, making installation easy. Simply swap them out and enjoy the upgrade. These headlights meet all US and Canadian safety regulations. Drive with confidence knowing you're compliant and safe. Experience significantly improved visibility at night. The bright LEDs provide superior illumination, enhancing your safety. These headlights feature a stylish halo ring, adding a touch of modern flair to your Tacoma. They'll make your truck stand out. While installation is straightforward, we recommend professional installation for optimal results. A qualified technician can ensure a proper fit. We stand behind our product. If you're not completely satisfied, you can return them within 30 days. What we like. If you want to add a stylish and modern touch to your truck, this is a great option. The LED DRL and halo ring give it a distinct look. For those who want enhanced visibility and a cool aesthetic upgrade, this is a perfect choice. What people say. These are manufactured by Spider and model number is 501-1916. 10 times better light output. And they are adjustable. Installation was easier than reinstalling the original headlights. Wiring was pretty straightforward, wiring the LEDs and halos to the parking lights. I did ask the question here if the daytime running lights could be still used, and yes, they still function. Number 1. AmeriLite Toyota Tacoma Headlights. These AmeriLite headlights are a perfect fit for your 2005 to 2011 Toyota Tacoma. They'll give your truck a modern, stylish upgrade. Specifically designed for pre-facelift second-generation Tacomas, 2005 to 2011. Please note, these lights won't fit 2012 to 2015 models. They meet or exceed all US and Canadian safety regulations. Drive with confidence knowing you're compliant. Installation is a breeze. It's a direct OEM replacement, so no modifications are needed. The set includes both driver and passenger side headlights. Everything you need is right here. We stand behind our product. Enjoy a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 90-day limited warranty. What we like. If you're looking for a simple upgrade with added safety features, this is a great choice. The switchback LED signals enhance visibility. For drivers who want a stylish and functional upgrade with peace of mind, this is the perfect option. What people say. Install went good, it took me maybe 2 hours. These headlights came sealed already, but I added some extra sealant just in case. A lot of aftermarket headlights seem to have problems with moisture. I think they look great, they are bright and the LED bar DRL do work. Super bright and aggressive looking. Made our 2011 Tacoma look almost brand new. Pretty easy to install, definitely watch a few installation videos for the bottom bolts. These lights were extremely easy to install. All I needed was a screwdriver and 10mm socket. A lot brighter and more modern than the stock headlights. I would highly recommend these lights. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.